Hello, fellow pet owners and tech enthusiasts. Welcome to Gadget World. Today, we're diving into the future of home cleaning with the iRobot Roomba i3 EVO 3150 robot vacuum. This smart, Wi-Fi connected cleaning companion is designed to make your life easier, especially if you have pets. With its smart mapping, Alexa compatibility, and impressive performance on pet hair, carpets, and hard floors, it's more than just a vacuum. It's your cleaning partner. Join us in this comprehensive review as we explore its strengths, features, and how it can keep your home spotless, one room at a time. Let's get cleaning. Starting with design, the iRobot Roomba i3 EVO 3150 impresses with its sleek, modern appearance. It's built to withstand daily use, and the compact size allows it to navigate under furniture and around obstacles effortlessly. One of the standout features is the smart mapping capability. With VSLAM navigation, it creates detailed maps of your home, allowing it to clean by room. You can even label rooms for specific cleaning routines. For voice control enthusiasts, the Roomba i3 EVO works seamlessly with Alexa. Simply ask Alexa to start or stop cleaning, and your Roomba obeys your commands. If you have furry friends, you'll appreciate the Roomba's excellent performance on pet hair. The high-efficiency filter and dual multi-surface rubber brushes make it a must-have for pet owners. The Roomba is smart about navigation. It adapts to your home's layout, avoiding obstacles and adjusting its cleaning patterns as needed. Keep in mind that the Roomba i3 EVO doesn't have a built-in capability to navigate stairs, so you'll need to block off staircases during cleaning sessions. In conclusion, the iRobot Roomba i3 EVO 3150 robot vacuum is a game-changer for home cleaning. With its stylish design, smart mapping, Alexa compatibility, pet hair performance, and adaptive navigation, it's a valuable addition to any household, particularly for pet owners. Just be mindful of blocking off staircases during cleaning. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Gadget World for more in-depth tech reviews and home improvement content. Explore the iRobot Roomba i3 EVO 3150 robot vacuum through our Amazon affiliate link below. Your support fuels our mission to bring you the latest innovations for a cleaner, more convenient home. Share your thoughts in the comments below if you've experienced the Roomba i3 EVO or if you're considering it as your cleaning ally. Until your next cleaning session, keep embracing the world of innovation and a pet-friendly home.